What's up guys, Chalklin here with my teammate Stephen Smith. We're down here at Adrenaline Alley, we're going to be filming some shots. Just recently put a picture on Instagram about an hour ago. Got a few comments, so I'm going to read them now.
So, Scott Smith called me a footless. I do that as a step up. And he called Sam to do a 360 whip to heel.
Sweet, let's do it. Counts.
Apologise for landing that really sketchy, but I don't want to do it again, so.
You fucking better do.
Okay, so I think it's Alex Watts called Sam to do a triple whip bar and me to do a bar twist to double whip. We'll do the step up. Let's do it.
Brad_Cresswell got one called Stephen a triple bar with a step up and me a flare, so we're going to film that in the
run. State your name.
Holly.
Favourite colour?
Red.
Sponsors?
Be louder, man. Be louder.
Stephen to do a bar twist bar whip and 3 double down.
Sam, got it. You just confirmed that you didn't have to take your helmet off, put your hat on, just because you look like an egg.
I look like an egg, so I can't.
Yeah, boy.
I call Stephen a 360 bar twist.
Yeah.
I call Sam a 360 whip Oxo bar. And I call the man, myth, the legend Scott a fingerless.
Fingerless. Alright, let's do it. I'm going to film Scott and Stephen first.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, my skills.
Okay, so Scott Smith also called me a quick whip, which Scott Pepper is going to do with me. Well, he's going to try at least.
Here you go, mate.
You want to sign my deck?
You want me to sign your deck?
Yeah. Next to Stephen.
Is that alright?
Cheers.
Here you go, mate.
Cheers.
Is that your pen?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go. Point your Instagram around here. Spit it around there.
Josh Astley _
Got in the way there. What's your Instagram?
Tom.W.
Yeah, you want to point it here? Sweet. I'll put it both in there. Sweet.
Subscribe and like Sam.
Safe, man. Safe.
Anyway.
Here you go, mate.
I might need that.
Sweet.
Dude, I didn't realise I was writing that. Brad Cresswell called me to do a bar spin to heel rewind.
Naughty.
Just cut that there. Woo! I'm going to call Sam a trick and he's going to do a front lip down the rail.
Cool.
Do it for me. Are you filming? Right, I'm going to call Stephen a quadruped on the 5 foot.
Calm. Camera call. I want to see you. That thing there. Triple whip from the the bank going up into the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then double frontside double heel.
Sure.
In the quarter.
Yeah.
Cool. Stephen.
Sam making excuses again that he broke his ankle.
All
He had a
right.
bruise.
Recovery Chalklin. Yo.
Alright, I'm going to call Stephen a whip on screw on the 3 foot.
Yeah, small.
Something like that.
Lens.
Put it in slow-mo.
It's taking a while.
My legs on, I guess.
Yeah, sick.
Right, I want to call Pepper a trick. He did it earlier, he's going to come up onto the sub box and he's going to jump off into fakie down the ramp.
Yo! Yeah.
That was his 8th attempt, but we'll cut them all out.
Yeah, sure, man.
I call Stephen to do a footless bar over step up, and Sam to do a bar over step up.
Yo.
Oh yeah, don't throw my side again. Last calls of the day.
You've got to chill out, mate.
What do you mean chill out? Oh, him? Oh yeah, you need to chill out, Stephen, man.
He just fucking tsunami'd on the lens.
Sorry.
Alright, last calls of the day. Stephen a double throw bar to whip. And he's gonna
I'll call Sam a finger whip.
Just call it.
I'll call Sam a finger whip to X-Ride like he did at Scoot GB last year. You got that?
Cool.
Yeah!
One bang. One bang. I was actually nuts. I was actually sick. Yeah, man. Guest clip. Naughty. So I just got your guest clip.
Ratings on that, you know.
Alright, I'm going to call Scott a dono flip over the step up here now.
Just quick.
Just quick, just casual.
Follow the Lens Crew.
Alright guys, thank you for watching Pull the Shots with me and Stephen. Make sure you subscribe to Muzzle Crew. Also follow our Instagrams, which will be around here, and also use our discount codes on the Maui Sons website, which is mauisons.eu. Subscribe to my channel as well. See you later.
Boom. Peace.
I've never had someone